Section 1. The visual world around us. Look around you. What do you see? Chances are you're surrounded by graphic design. From the logo on your coffee cup to the app icons on your phone, graphic design is an integral part of our daily lives. It's a powerful tool that communicates messages, evokes emotions, and shapes our perceptions of the world. Graphic design is more than just making things look pretty. It's about solving problems and communicating effectively through visuals. Every poster, website, and book cover has a purpose, and graphic designers use their skills to achieve those goals. They combine typography, images, and colors to create designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Think about your favorite brands. Their logos, packaging, and advertising campaigns are all carefully crafted by graphic designers to create a memorable brand identity. These designs influence our purchasing decisions and shape our perceptions of different products and services. Graphic design is a constantly evolving field with new trends and technologies emerging all the time. But the fundamental principles of good design remain the same: clarity, communication, and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding these principles is essential for creating impactful designs.
Section 2. The design process. From idea to reality. Creating effective graphic design doesn't happen by chance. It's a structured process that involves several key steps. While every designer may have their own unique approach, understanding the fundamental stages of the design process can help you tackle any project with confidence. The first step is research. Before putting pen to paper or a cursor to screen, it's crucial to gather information about the target audience, the message to be conveyed, and the overall goals of the project. This research will form the foundation of your design decisions. Next comes brainstorming and sketching. This stage is all about generating ideas and exploring different visual possibilities. Don't be afraid to experiment with various concepts and layouts. This is the time to let your creativity flow and see what sticks. Once you have a solid understanding of the project requirements and have explored various ideas, it's time to start creating. Using design software, you'll bring your sketches to life, experimenting with typography, colors, and images to refine your design. The final stage of the design process is revision. It's important to get feedback from clients or colleagues and be open to making changes based on their input. This iterative process ensures that the final design meets the project objectives and effectively communicates the intended message. Section 3. Research, knowing your audience and goals. Before diving into the creative aspects of design, it's essential to lay a solid foundation through research. Understanding your target audience and the goals of the project is paramount to creating a successful design. Start by defining your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your design? What are their demographics, interests, and values? Knowing your audience helps you tailor your design choices to resonate with their preferences and capture their attention. Consider the message you want to convey. What do you want your audience to think, feel, or do after seeing your design? A clear and concise message is crucial for effective communication. Whether you're promoting a product, conveying information, or evoking emotion, your design should effectively communicate the intended message. Think about the context in which your design will be seen. Will it be displayed online or in print? What is the surrounding environment? Understanding the context helps you make informed decisions about size, color, and typography. Thorough research provides valuable insights that will guide your design decisions throughout the process. By understanding your audience, message, and context, you can create designs that are not only visually appealing but also effective in achieving their intended goals. Section 4. Brainstorming and sketching, letting ideas flow. With a solid understanding of your project goals and target audience, it's time to unleash your creativity. Brainstorming and sketching are essential stages in the design process, allowing you to generate ideas and explore different visual possibilities. Don't be afraid to think outside the box during the brainstorming phase. Jot down any ideas that come to mind. no matter how unconventional they may seem. Consider different perspectives, experiment with wordplay, and explore various visual metaphors. Sketching is an extension of brainstorming, providing a visual outlet for your ideas. You don't need to be a skilled artist to create effective sketches. Simple shapes, lines, and notes can help you visualize different layouts, compositions, and typographic treatments. Experiment with different sketching tools, from traditional pen and paper to digital drawing tablets. The goal is to find a method that allows you to freely express your ideas without limitations. Remember, this stage is all about exploration and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try out different concepts, discard ideas that don't work, and iterate on those that show promise. The more ideas you generate, the better equipped you'll be to create a successful design. Section 5. Creating and revising bringing designs to life. Once you have a collection of promising sketches and a clear vision for your design, it's time to start bringing it to life using design software. This stage involves translating your ideas into digital form, experimenting with typography, colors, images, and layouts. Choose design software that aligns with your skill level and project requirements. There are numerous options available, from industry-standard programs like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to more user-friendly alternatives. Start by creating a digital version of your chosen sketch. Use basic shapes and lines to outline the layout and placement of different elements. Then, begin experimenting with typography, selecting fonts that complement your design and effectively communicate the tone of your message. Explore different color palettes, considering the emotions and associations that different colors evoke. Use images to enhance your design, whether they're photographs, illustrations, or graphic elements. Remember that design is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and revise your work as you go. It's often through trial and error that the most successful designs emerge. Section 6. Graphic design in action real-world applications. Graphic design is everywhere, shaping our visual landscape and influencing our daily lives in countless ways. From the logos on our favorite products to the websites we browse, graphic design plays a crucial role in communication, branding, and information dissemination. One of the most prominent applications of graphic design is in branding and advertising. Logos, packaging, and marketing materials all rely heavily on graphic design to create memorable brand identities and influence consumer behavior. Websites and digital platforms are another prime example of graphic design in action. User interface, UI, and user experience, UX design, are essential for creating websites that are both visually appealing and easy to navigate. Print media, despite the rise of digital platforms, remains a significant area for graphic design. Books, magazines, brochures, and posters all rely on graphic design to engage readers and effectively communicate their messages. Signage and wayfinding systems are yet another area where graphic design plays a crucial role. From directional signs in airports to informational displays in museums, graphic design helps people navigate physical spaces safely and efficiently. Section 7. Starting your design journey. Tips for beginners. Embarking on a graphic design journey can be both exciting and daunting. Here are some practical tips for beginners to help you get started on the right foot. Practice is key. The more you design, the better you'll become. Start by working on personal projects, experimenting with different techniques, and challenging yourself to learn new skills. Seek inspiration from various sources. Pay attention to design in your everyday life, from websites to packaging to magazine layouts. Create a collection of designs that inspire you and analyze what makes them effective. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are an essential part of the learning process. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. Learn the fundamentals of design principles. Understanding concepts like balance, contrast, hierarchy, and typography will strengthen your design skills. Experiment with different design software. There are numerous free and paid options available. Find one that suits your needs and budget and start exploring its features. Most importantly, have fun and let your creativity flourish. Graphic design is a rewarding field that allows you to combine your artistic talents with your problem-solving skills. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop learning.